Hello guys, it's me again, Miss Maritza. Tonight we are going to work in Easter Bunny ears. And I have my daughters here again assisting me. They're going to be working together with me. The first step that I'm going to do is I am going to measure my daughter's head to make sure that this paper strip is enough to put the bunny ears. So here is for Ileana. Here is gonna be for Jolie. Yeah, it's good. And this one maybe for me, let's see. Yeah, it's enough for me. So the next step is we are going to trace in a white paper Easter bunny. So girls, let's go. Let's start working. Tracing our ears. We are tracing. Right, bunny ears with a Sharpie. This is our second step of a measuring head, right? So at home, when you cut the stripe for the paper, then you measure your daughter or son's head, and then you proceed to trace bunny ears. Something like this. So right here I have mine. So Julie, you want to show yours? Then we are going to cut them. Okay?
I'm still busy. I'm done.
We are going to cut the bunny ears. And after cutting, we're going to put something in the middle of this bunny ears. You're going to put some color. Second step, cutting. So we don't have to go outside to buy bunny ears for Easter if we can make them at home. If we have at home white paper, white construction paper, this is very easy. We don't have to go outside to spend money. Remember, we can't go outside if we don't have to. Okay?
Can't even go outside.
All right. For the center of my bunny ears, I pick orange. So I am going to trace little bunny ears on my orange paper. So my daughters, they both pick pink. So they're going to trace later the bunny ears in their pink paper. You can throw this here, Juliana. Okay, now I am going to trace my...
Look at raindrops.
Yep. Now I'm going to trace my bunny ears.
Does it have to be perfect?
It doesn't have to be perfect, Juliana. You know that nothing is perfect here. We are just tracing, and having fun. Having fun with our kids at home, right?
Of course.
We are tracing. And after we trace, Juliana, we cut. Okay? We are cutting again. Cutting. Cutting again.
Too small.
That's okay, Julie. It's fine. Eliana, we are cutting now. This is the next step.
Then we glue.
After this, we are going to use glue. I have glue here for all of us.
So we're gonna use it.
And after this, we are going to staple our bunny ears in the strip. And we are ready to use our bunny ears for Easter. I'm going to glue mine. I'm going to glue mine to my bunny ears. And then I'm going to let my girls to do them.
So sad.
You only need to follow the line, Juliana. right?
Uh-huh.
So here, I have mine. Here's the second one. And now I am going to staple them here. Let's see how it is gonna be. This is the first one. And the second one here.
Can I have some glue?
Oh, sure, glue. Oh,
Mommy, I can
let's
glue
see
my
how this is gonna look on myself. It is good? Can you see my bunny ears? So let me try with Juliana's ears. Let me see, Julie. Let me make sure.
It's in my face.
Yeah. It goes like this. Okay, Liana,
Can I
now
staple the bunny ears?
I'm gonna staple your bunny ears here. Yep. This is Juliana. Hold on, Eliana, can I use it one more time? Please.
Oh, you already
All yours, Eliana. So these are Juliana's bunny ears. It's so cute. We don't have to go outside. Here are mine. So let me see if this fits on me. Let me see. I'm gonna put it like this.
Really?
Juliana, you finished, Eliana?
Oh.
How is it? Isn't it cute? Thank you for listening. Have a great night and stay safe. Bye-bye.